If you've been on the sourdough journey, you know that the flour that you use makes a real difference. I've been making sourdough bread for years now, and this is the flour that I keep coming back to. This is the Whole Foods organic bread flour, and it's become a staple in my kitchen. What I love about this one is that it's USDA organic, it's sourced from family-owned farms high up in mountain valleys in North America, and it's expertly milled for that fine, consistent texture that bread flour really needs to perform well.
The consistency is really great. It's fine and smooth, which is exactly what you want when you're working with sourdough. It gives you that structure and chew that makes a really good loaf, and I've noticed a difference in my bread since switching to a quality bread flour like this one. My sourdough has honestly never turned out better. The crust gets that beautiful golden color, and the inside has the perfect crumb. I really do think that the flour makes such a big difference in the final result. The flour is fat-free, sodium-free, and vegan, which makes it a really clean, simple ingredient with nothing unnecessary added. It's just pure, organic bread flour the way that it should be. Sourdough baking is all about the quality of your ingredients, and this flour has never let me down. It's such a great staple to have in your pantry, and I highly recommend giving it a try.